Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send emails with Mailchimp. First of all, what you have to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're signed in, what you have to do is you can click on create, and you can also go to the campaigns to create a campaign. So I will click on create and I will simply create on the email button. You can also send via SMS, but in this video I'm going to show you how to send emails. So I will click on emails. There are some options: regular, plain text, multivariate, and template. So what I will do, I will click on regular, and I can keep your subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting line. So I have to give any name. For example, I will name it as demo. I will click on begin. A new page will open now. Who I want to send this email to. For example, if I want to send my email to all of the subscribed contacts in the audience, so I will select that, or I can also edit my recipients. Now there is the from section, and I can edit from which email address I want to send the email, and this I can add subject. I can also choose the time to send. For example, I will add a time, schedule, or send now. I can choose a date from this calendar. Now in the content section, I will click on design email. It will take me to this page where I can select any templates. If you want to preview any of the template, you have to select the preview button. You can preview any of them, and if you do not like the preview, you can exit the preview and select any other. And if you like the preview, you have to click on continue to builder. Now you can actually edit or customize your page. You can delete your button. For example, if you want to delete view in browser, you have to click on remove block. I can change paragraphs. I can upload my own images. I can replace the images from there, and I can type in the text I want, or I can also shorten the text, or I can write the text with the help of AI. If you're fine with the changes, you have to click on save and exit, and your campaign will be created, and you can now successfully send your email address with the help of Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.